Students, yesterday we have learned solid changes into liquid, liquid changes into gases due to change in their temperature. उष्णता दिल्यावर सॉलिड लिक्विडमध्ये कन्वर्ट होतो, लिक्विड गॅसेसमध्ये कन्वर्ट होत असतो. परंतु असे काही पदार्थ आहेत की त्यांना उष्णता दिल्यावर त्यांचे लिक्विडमध्ये रूपांतर न होता गॅसियस स्टेटमध्ये रूपांतर होत असते. त्यांनाच आपण सब्लिमेशन असे म्हणत असतो. Solid directly converted into gases. There are some solids which directly converted into gases or vapor after heating, not into liquid state, but directly changes into gaseous state. This is called sublimation. For example, naphthalene balls, camphor, these are the sublimating substances. कापराच्या वड्या, डांबर गोळ्या हे sublimating substances आहेत. Now we are learning properties of substances. First, brittleness. Second, hardness. Third, elasticity. Fourth, fluidity. Fifth, densities. 6, solubility. And 7, transparency. I am showing some examples. Chalk. This is solid. Now I am breaking this chalk. This is easily break. It is easily breaking. This is brittleness. या गुणधर्माला ठिसूळपणा म्हणतात. The substances which are break into small particles or pieces, these substances are said to be brittle. This property of substances are said to be brittleness. This is nail. This is nut bolt. Those are hard substances. When you hammer this nail, it enter into wall or wood. This is hardness. The hardness of a substance is determined by how much resistance it offers to the substances being pushed through it. Look at me. This is rubber band. I am stretching this rubber band. I am releasing the force. Rubber band goes its original shape. This is elasticity. Some substances change their shape when a force is applied on them, but return to their original shape and size when the force is removed. This property is called elasticity. Next property is fluidity. What is meant by fluidity? Fluidity म्हणजे प्रवाहिता. If I drop water on the floor, it will start to flow. It flows downwards, म्हणजेच ते उताराकडे वाहू लागते. यालाच फ्लुइडिटी म्हणजेच प्रवाहिता असे म्हणतात. The fluidity of any liquid is determined by how easily it flows. Next property is density. समजा मी 2 समान आकाराचे ठोकळे घेतले. एक लोखंडाचा, दुसरा लाकडाचा. दोघांचा आकार सारखा आहे. पण वजनाचा जर आपण विचार केला तर कोणत्या ठोकळ्याचे वजन जास्त असेल? तर लोखंडी ठोकळ्याचे वजन जास्त असेल. का? कारण त्याची घनता जास्त आहे. ज्या पदार्थांची घनता जास्त असते ते पदार्थ वजनाने जड असतात. ज्या पदार्थांची घनता कमी असते ते पदार्थ वजनाने हलके असतात. घनता म्हणजेच डेन्सिटी. The substances of the same volume, the ones with greater density, are heavier than those of lesser density. Next property is solubility. See this. What is meant by solubility? This is water. This is salt. I am putting this salt into this water and stir it. We can see this salt is completely dissolved. This is solubility. We can also use sugar. Sugar dissolved into the water. See this. I am putting sand into the water. Sand never dissolves into the water. The property of a substance of getting dissolved is called its solubility. Next property is transparency. See this. This is plastic sheet. I can see through this plastic sheet. See this. This is glass. We can see through this glass. This is transparency. When we can look through a substance and see things on the other side, then that substance is said to be transparent. This property of the substance is called transparency. Next point is properties of metals. Then first, malleability. Metals can be converted into thin sheets by handling. This property is called malleability. Next property is ductility. Metals can be stretched and drawn into wires. This property of metal is called ductility. For example, gold, silver, platinum, copper, etc. म्हणजेच धातूंच्या तारा तयार करणे यालाच डक्टिलिटी असे म्हणतात. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिविटी. Electricity flows through metal wires. All metals are good conductor of electricity. This property of metals is called electrical conductivity. For example, aluminum, copper and silver. When a piece of metal is heated at one place, then the whole part of piece is heated. Whole metal becomes hot. This is thermal conductivity. समजा आपण एका लोखंडी तुकड्याला जर हीट दिली तर हळूहळू त्याचा दुसरा भाग पण तापतो. हळूहळू तो पूर्ण तापतो. यालाच आपण थर्मल कंडक्टिव्हिटी असे म्हणतो. Metals produce a ringing sound. This property of metal is called sonority of metals. धातूंचा आवाज झाला तर तो खणखणीत असतो. यालाच धातूंची नादमयता असे म्हणतात. In this way, we have completed chapter number 6, Substances in the Surroundings, their states and properties.